press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Professor Shivanand Mankekar is a professor of finance at the Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Sciences. He is also a very influential investor, well known for his many multi-bagger stocks. Now, one of the stocks to his credit was Pantaloons, where he had a 100-bagger. Please watch this video to know more about 5 stocks from his portfolio. Now, the first company on the list is TALWALKARS Better Value Fitness Limited, which is available at Rs 295.05. Now, TALWALKARS Better Value Fitness Limited is a holding and fitness company, and the company is engaged in the health and fitness services and also in the gymming business. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that initially the stock rose and then it fell consistently. But in the last few weeks, there has been a spike in the prices of the company. The market cap of the company is 874.36 crores, which means that it's a small cap. The EPS is 21.30, which means that the stock is available at a price to earnings ratio of 13.82, which is lower than the industry PE of 32.62. The book value is 159.85, which means that the company is available at a price to book ratio of 1.84. The promoter holding here is 34.96. Now, an important factor here to know that Professor Mankekar actually invested in this company even prior to its IPO. Now, the second company on the list is SEQUENT Scientific Limited, which is available at 101.10 on the National Stock Exchange. Now, SEQUENT Scientific Limited is a holding company and it is also engaged in the pharmaceutical industry, and its segments include pharmaceuticals, specialty chemicals, and analytical services. It focuses on products for livestock, poultry, and companion animals. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that it's been quite of a wealth destroyer and it hasn't actually performed for the year. The market cap is 2464.17 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 0.83, which means that the company is available at a very expensive valuation of 121.81 PE. Now, this is very high compared to the industry PE of 29. The book value is 51.59, which means that the company is available at a price to book ratio of 1.96. The promoter holding here is average at 57.24. The company does not currently pay out any dividends. The face value is 2. Now, third company on the list is JMFINANCIL Limited, which is available at a price of 142.40. Now, this is a holding company engaged in offering customized financial solutions to a range of clients. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the company, you would see that it was on a consistent uptrend for almost the majority of the year, but only recently there has been a sort of a consolidation. The market cap is 11,354.56 crores, which means that the company is a mid-cap one. The EPS is 1.72, which means that the company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 82.79, which is very high compared to the industry PE of 43.72. The book value is 21.64, which means that the company is trading at a price to book ratio of 6.58, which is also on the higher side. The face value is 1 and the dividend yield here is 1.05%. The promoter holding here is on the decent side with 65.10. Now, the fourth company on the list is Strides Shashon Limited, which was formerly called Strides Arcolab Limited, and this is a vertically integrated global pharmaceutical company. Now, this company is engaged in the development and manufacturing of APIs and formulations, also involved in biotech. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart for the company, you would see that it's been on a consistent downtrend. The market cap of the company is 7161.23 crores, which means it's a mid-cap one. The EPS is 8.06, which means that the company is available at a price to earnings ratio of a whopping 99.28. Now, the industry PE is 29, which means that the company is very expensive compared to its industry PE. The book value is 361.21, which means that the price to book ratio is 2.22. The face value here is 10 and the dividend yield is 0.56. Now, the promoter holding here is also low at 31.12. The 52-week low for the company is 752.30. Now, the final company on the list is Bajaj Finance Limited, which is available at a price of 1674.95. Now, Bajaj Finance Limited is a non-banking finance company and is engaged in lending and allied activities. It focuses on consumer lending, small and medium-sized enterprise lending, commercial lending, rural lending, fixed deposits, and value-added services. Now, if you were to look at the 1 year chart, you would see that for the majority of the year, the company was on a strong uptrend, but since then has been consolidating. The market cap is 96,361.99 crores, which means that it's a large cap. The EPS is 37.53, which means that it's available at a price to earnings ratio of 44.54, which is largely in line with the industry PE of 43.72. The book value is 166.63, which means that the company is available at a slightly high rate of price to book ratio at 10.03. The promoter holding is average at 55.26. Now the face value is 2 and the dividend yield here is on the lower side at 0.22. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon with another video.